Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're whipping up some seriously delicious smoothies. And not just any smoothies, these are packed with chia seeds to help you feel amazing from the inside out. We've got 5 incredible recipes that are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a healthy dessert. Each one is easy to make and bursting with flavor. Get ready to blend your way to a slimmer, healthier you. Let's get started. This smoothie is a classic for a reason. It's super easy and unbelievably refreshing. First up, grab your blender and toss in a handful of your favorite berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you're craving. Next, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. I like vanilla or unflavored for this one. Now for the star ingredient, chia seeds. 2 tablespoons will do the trick, adding a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Finally, pour in your liquid of choice almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water works great. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy and enjoy. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this vibrant mango smoothie. Start by dicing up a ripe mango. The sweeter, the better. Toss those chunks into your blender. Now, for an extra creamy texture, we're going to add half a frozen banana. If you like things extra cold, you can use a whole frozen banana. Don't forget those chia seeds. 2 tablespoons for this smoothie as well. Finally, add a splash of almond milk or coconut milk until you reach your desired consistency. Blend until smooth, pour into a glass, and take a sip of sunshine. Chapter 3. Who says healthy can't be delicious? This green smoothie is packed with nutrients and tastes amazing. Don't be intimidated by the spinach, you won't even taste it, I promise. Start by adding 2 big handfuls of fresh spinach to your blender. Next, add half a frozen banana for sweetness and creaminess. Then, toss in a handful of frozen pineapple chunks for a tropical twist. Now for the chia seeds, 2 tablespoons, just like the other recipes. Finally, add your liquid. I like to use coconut water for this one, but almond milk or regular water works too. Blend it all up until smooth, and enjoy a glass of green goodness. Chapter 4. This smoothie is like a dessert in disguise. It's rich, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Start by slicing up 2 ripe bananas and adding them to your blender. Next, add a spoonful of peanut butter or almond butter if you prefer. For a touch of warmth and spice, add a pinch of cinnamon. Don't forget those chia seeds, 2 tablespoons for an extra boost of nutrition. Finally, pour in your liquid of choice almond milk is my go-to for this recipe. Blend until smooth and creamy and get ready for a treat that's both delicious and good for you. Chapter 5. This smoothie is like a breath of fresh air. It's cool, invigorating, and perfect for a hot day. Start by adding a handful of fresh mint leaves to your blender. Next, for a touch of sweetness, add half a frozen banana and a handful of frozen pineapple chunks. To balance out the sweetness, we're going to add a squeeze of lime juice. And of course, no smoothie is complete without those chia seeds. 2 tablespoons, as always. Finally, add your liquid of choice coconut water is especially delicious in this recipe. Blend until smooth, pour over ice, and enjoy a refreshing and revitalizing treat. Outro. So there you have it. 5 delicious and healthy chia seed smoothie recipes that are perfect for any time of day. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.